All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017, I want to say. That's right, 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. It is the GT model. This beautiful silver with black leather interior, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, got navigation system, backup camera, roof racks, alloy wheels, fog lights, super nice, and best of all, minimal damage around the body. Front bumper looks good, front hood looks good, front fender looks good. Here's your front driver's rim, that looks nice. Tire tread under 730 seconds, above 4, yeah, that's right, under 730 seconds, actually it's 6. This door looks good, this rear door looks good, this quarter looks very nice. Here's your rear driver's rim, looks good. Tire tread just at the line is 730 seconds, double checking it. That's right, just at the line. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors, your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips, looks good. It is a powered seat. We jump in here. Car vehicle does come with 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. That's your Navi system. Get the light down. Boom, that's your navigation system right there. You got your backup camera. Boom. You got your AC controls right down below. You got your heated seats and your heated steering. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. And this is what your instrument console looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. Your mileage of 32,355. Pretty much completes the tour. We got some buttons here. Just push them. Keep it going. Turn on the fog lights. Turn on the lights. Perfect. Of course, here's your rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise on your third row, no holes, no tears, no rips. AC vents, rear AC controls, and rear heated seats. I got a little button, pushes that closed. Coming around, rear bumper, looks great. Rear trunk space looks awesome. These seats do fold forward and here like a stow and go, as the word says. Little button here, closes this rear lift gate, which looks good. I don't see any damages on that. This quarter looks pretty darn nice. Here's your rear passenger rim. Very nice. No curbing. Tire tread. Just a line over 730 seconds. This door opens smooth. Here's your rear, the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise in your third row. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks nice. Power button. Closes that. This door looks good. Front passenger seat. Very nice. Have your owner's manuals right here. Front fender. Front driver's rim looks good. I don't see curbing. Under 730 seconds. Fender looks good. Lights are on. Car is working. Folks, once again, a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan GT model with 32,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns? Don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.